Hey guys, Greg at Underground Graphics. Today we're going to do a quick demo on the lower rocker PPF install. A known problem with the Broncos now are the rock chips. Even with the Sasquatch fenders, you get these off-road tires a little bit bigger. They're going to fling some stuff up. So what we've got is a do-it-yourself package. It is a small kit. They're not going to wrap the edges. They're not going to tuck anything like that. But this is something quick and easy. You can do it yourself, just for a little more peace of mind. So we're going to do just a real quick demo. I've got a lot more stuff to do to this with some decals and kits. So I'm going to put this on for you real quick, and then we're going to take it off and get back to some other pieces. We want to make sure we get this area clean. We have a soap and a water alcohol mix that we use to wipe this down. I've already done that. And then to apply, we're going to use lots of soap and water. I do a little bit more soap than I would in a kit for a wet install, but this is going to allow this to slide. So we're going to get that nice and soaked. And I'm going to go ahead and do this door. That's going to be the biggest piece. And we will provide you with a squeegee. We have rubber squeegees that we use for the PPF. You don't have to have that. This is kind of a pretty safe piece. There's not a lot of contour on it, so it should go without any issue. Just make sure this does not hit the ground. Make sure everything is clean. Again, we want to show you how easy this was to do. Oh, and I'm upside down. There we go. All right. Faster you can get that in place, less chance you're going to get anything on there. These are cut a little bit short. That way you can kind of stretch into position. You can see that already starting to slide down. So we're going to go ahead and get that into position. And it's right underneath that seam. And once you tack that, just by pushing out that solution, and that popping sound is just the end of that rubber coming off the body. And here I can see I've got a little bit of stretch. I can pull it. Remember, this film is self-healing, so any scratches and marks will come out with alcohol and actually a little bit of heat will take off any of those surface scratches. We've got these kits, again, cut just a little bit short. That way we don't have to worry about those edges. You should be, it looks like about a 1/16, maybe a 1/4 inch here at the front. I'm about a 1/16 there at the back. And again, if you really want some serious protection, we do recommend a full rocker PPF. Tuck all those edges. You can even come up a little bit higher. But this is something quick for that peace of mind that we're going to offer y'all. Yeah, man, you can't even see it. This stuff is so awesome. I'll get some photos up close. And yeah, you guys have any questions, just let us know. Subscribe, like, and yeah, thank you.